If I could give you only 4 exercises for total body strength, these would be the 4. Push-up hold, elbow plank, wall sit, and the pull-up hold, or dead hang. Together they create a complete head-to-toe training system, strengthening both the anterior chain, which is the front of your body, and the posterior chain, which is the back. The anterior chain includes muscles like our chest, abs, quads, and hip flexors, everything you see in the mirror. The posterior chain is your powerhouse, made up of our lats, spinal erectors, glutes, and hamstrings. Strengthening both ensures not just raw power and endurance, but also injury-proof stability. These 4 isometric exercises will lock in our strength, train our muscles to resist fatigue, and build the foundation for explosive movement in any sport or workout routine. Let's get into it. The first one is our push-up hold. The push-up hold is deceptively simple but brutally effective. Start in the bottom position of a push-up, elbows bent at 90 degrees, chest hovering just above the floor, and core is locked in tight. Your hands should be under your shoulders, and your entire body should form a straight line from head to heels. The moment you enter this position, your triceps, shoulders, and chest and core will ignite like a furnace. This hold is going to strengthen our pressing muscles without the need for heavy weights, reinforcing joint stability and raw pushing strength. Holding this position forces our body to maintain perfect form under stress, which translates directly into better push-ups, bench presses, and overall upper body endurance. The longer we hold this, the more it becomes a mental battle. Our chest and arms will start shaking, our mind will be begging us to quit, but this is where real strength is built. Fight to hold just a few seconds longer each time. If we're new, start with 15 to 20 seconds, working up to 45 seconds or longer. Mastering the push-up hold is going to give us the upper body endurance of a warrior, making every pressing movement stronger and more controlled. Now, if the push-up hold is a test of our pressing strength, the elbow plank is the ultimate core test, and we all know that core strength is everything. Every movement the human body has comes from the core. This is more than just an ab exercise. There's a full body stability challenge that locks in our midsection like a steel beam. Start by placing our forearms on the ground, elbows directly under our shoulders, and extend our legs back, balancing on our toes. Our spine stays neutral, our glutes stay engaged, and our entire core works to keep from sagging or tilting. Everything from our shoulders to our lower back and quads is active. The true benefit of the plank isn't just in feeling the burn, it's in learning to resist movement. Our body wants to naturally collapse, it's gravity, twist or give out, but we force it to stay locked in one place. That's the same kind of strength needed to resist injury, hold perfect posture, and generate powerful movements in sports and lifting. If we want to bulletproof our core, we should be aiming for at least 30 seconds, working up to a minute or more. For added intensity, lift one foot off the ground, reach an arm forward, or place our hands on an unstable surface like a medicine ball. The stronger our plank, the more powerful every movement becomes. Dare I say, of the 4, this is the most important exercise. And now to, in my opinion, the second most important, which is the wall sit. Find any wall in your house and press your back against it. Slide down until our thighs are parallel to the floor. Make sure they're parallel to the floor, guys. Keeping those knees at 90 degrees. Our feet should be shoulder width apart, planted firmly as if we're about to explode into a jump. But instead of moving, you hold. Our quads start burning almost immediately, but this isn't just about pain. It's about building unshakable leg endurance and postural strength. Our glutes, hamstrings, and even our core are engaged to keep us locked in place, making this one of the most functional lower body isometric exercises, and honestly, one of the most functional lower body exercises, period. Not even just talking about isometrics. This exercise is going to translate directly into stronger squats, better athletic performance, and even knee health. This is so slept on. This is why isometrics are so freaking good, guys. The wall sit is going to force our body to hold tension without shifting or compensating, making our legs more efficient and resistant to fatigue. Start with 30 seconds and build up to a minute or more. If we want to take it up a notch, hold the weight in our lap, lift one foot at a time, or press your arms against the wall to make it a full body challenge. The stronger your wall sit, the more powerful our legs become in every single movement, squats, jumps, sprints, or even just standing for long periods of time. And last but certainly not least, the dead hang and pull-up hold. The dead hang starts with a simple but brutal challenge. Grab a pull-up bar and let our body hang and hold on for dear life. This exercise does more than just improve grip. It builds bulletproof shoulders, decompresses our spine, and strengthens your lats. Your fingers, wrists, and forearms will burn, it's part of the exercise, but this directly translates to better pull-ups, deadlifts, and overall upper body durability. Now, once we've developed great grip from these exercises, move to the pull-up hold. Jump or pull yourself to the top position of a pull-up and lock in. Our back, biceps, and core all engage at once, fighting against gravity. This is where pulling power is built. If we can hold our chin above the bar for about 15 to 30 seconds, we're already on the path to full pull-ups. Work your way up to longer holds and eventually slow negatives, lowering yourself down under control. These exercises build posterior chain strength, reinforcing our lats, traps, and spinal stabilizers. The result? A grip that's never gonna quit, a back that's strong as steel, and shoulders that can withstand anything. Together, these 4 exercises create a full body system that strengthens both the anterior and posterior chain, the front and back of your body. This means balanced strength. No imbalances anywhere. So it doesn't matter if you're an athlete, lifter, or a total noob, this program has you covered. You want to take these exercises to failure. The key to growth is time under tension, taking the body to complete failure. It is impossible not to grow if you're doing this every single time. Push through that burn and watch your body transform. Give it 90 days of serious effort. We have an entire playlist on what's called loadless isometrics, isometrics that do not require any type of equipment other than your body. If you'd like to check that playlist out, here's a link right here. Definitely go check that out, and we'll see you there.